So these are the
Okay.
points that we'll be discussing. Like we are discussing now the terms associated with motion, like distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. Okay.
Hmm.
After that, we'll be discussing about force and inertia, Newton's laws of motion, momentum of
Hmm.
and law of conservation, and friction and its types. Okay. So
Okay.
just tell me about speed.
Speed. Speed.
Yes.
It is some. It can be fast movement.
Do you know its formula?
The formula of speed. Distance upon time.
Exactly. Very good. Right.
Yeah.
So
So it can. We can say that it's
hmm,
the uh, how fast something moves.
something is moving. We can say yes. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Or we can say that speed. The definition we can say that distance covered per unit time. Okay. Whatever I'm writing, is it visible to you?
Yes, that's
Okay. So
visible.
distance covered per unit time is called as speed. So we are having
Speed.
formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay.
Hmm.
What will be its SI unit?
Kilometers per hour, meters per hour.
SI unit I'm asking about. What is the SI unit of distance? Tell me.
Acha, distance.
Hmm?
Meters.
Meter. And what is the SI unit of time?
Seconds.
Second. So what will be SI unit of speed?
Meter per second.
Correct. SI unit of speed will be meter per second. You can write it like this also. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes. So this is SI unit of speed, that is meter per second. Is it scalar or vector quantity?
Mm, it's scalar.
Correct. It is scalar quantity, because you can see distance is also scalar quantity, time is also scalar quantity, right? So speed will be also scalar quantity. So whenever we measure speed, that time we do not consider direction, it is scalar quantity. Okay. And
Okay.
what is the device that is used to measure speed?
The device.
Hmm?
Speedometer?
Yeah, correct.
Mhm. Okay.
Speedometer is the device that is used to measure speed, you can write here. So please write it down.
Hmm.
Speedometer is used to measure speed.
Hmm.
The device that is used to measure speed. Once you are done, let me know.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, now I'm having one numerical for you based on speed here.
Yeah. Mhm.
Suppose a car covers 144-kilometer distance in 2 hours. Okay,
Hmm.
calculate its speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second.
Um. Okay. So a car covers 144 kilometer distance in 2 hours. Calculated speed in kilometer per hour and meter per second. What's
Yeah,
kilometer per hour? It's the same.
actually, what is the SI unit of speed?
Uh, Meter per second.
Exactly. The bigger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Like in our car, we measure speed in kilometer per hour.
Kilometer
Speedometer
per
measures
hour.
speed in kilometer per hour.
Oh,
Hmm. You might have observed in the car, right?
yes.
Yes.
So speed would be 72
Exactly. Correct.
meter per
72
second.
kilometer per hour. Good.
Oh, and what would be meter per second?
Yeah, just calculate it.
Like if I have kilometer per hour, right? I got kilometer per
Mm-hmm.
hour. Now you're asking to find meter per second.
Yeah, you got in kilometer per hour. So I'm asking you to calculate in meter per second. Okay, because
Oh,
sometimes whenever you solve numericals, they ask you to calculate in meter per second also. That's why. So meter per
mm,
second में कितना आएगा? So you just need to convert it into meter and that hour into seconds, right?
yeah.
Just try it.
Okay. So 144 kilometer per hour would be 40 meter per second.
How?
We divide the speed by 3.6.
But why?
I don't know. I heard this somewhere.
3 by 6.
I mean, I
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, okay, no worry. Just pay attention here. Suppose speed is equal to distance upon time you are having, right? Formula. So speed
Yeah.
is equal to distance upon time. So we are having distance 144 kilometer and time is
Mm,
2 hour. So you'll be getting 72 kilometer per hour.
per hour.
Okay. Now
Mm,
I'm asked just a second. Huh? Just a second.
mm. Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, I
Okay.
audible.
So 72 kilometer per hour. Now we need to convert it into meter per second, right? So first of all, what you will be doing, you will be converting this 144 kilometer into the meter, right? So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to,
Mm, 1 kilometer
convert
equal
kilometer
to
into meter.
1,000 meters.
Correct. Very good. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. 1000 meter.
Mm,
Now, so this is speed is equal to 144. So I need to multiply it with
1,000.
1000. Very good. 1000 divided by 2 hour. So convert this 2 hours into, so this is now in meter. This value is now in meter. Now this 2 hour. Now convert this into second.
Um, so we multiplied with 3,600.
Correct. Good. 2 into 3600. So this will be
7200.
correct. 7200. Okay. So if you calculate this, we'll be getting value like 144 divided by 2. Okay. Now
Mm,
1000 by 3600. I can write like this, right?
yes.
Okay. So this will be 72
72.
and this will be अरे यार, into, just simplify it. So here you will be getting 10 by 36, right?
Yeah.
10 by 36. Again, you can simplify. You'll be getting, hmm, just divide
Mm,
it with 2.
divide divide what with 2?
This 10 and 36. You are having 10 by 36 here, right? So you can
Yeah.
simplify. 5 by 18,
Hmm.
right? Are you getting it?
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So now, so 18 for the 72.
72.
4 into 5, 20 meter per second.
20
20 meter per second. Okay.
second.
So what will be
Hmm.
speed in meter per second? 20 meter per second.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll be just discussing about one shortcut here, like how you can directly convert this speed from kilometer per hour to the meter per second. Suppose whenever you are having speed in kilometer per hour and you want to convert it into meter per second, so that time do one thing, just multiply that value with 5 by 18. Suppose you are having now 72 kilometer per hour, right?
Hmm.
So if you want to convert into meter per second, just multiply it with 5 by 18. So this is a
Oh.
shortcut you can remember. So why are we
Hmm.
multiplying it with 5 by 18? Because we have
Because
solved here, right?
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
5 by 18. So this is shortcut you can remember. Now suppose you are having 54 kilometer per hour. So just convert it into meter per second.
yeah.
Hmm.
Sorry, what was the question?
You are provided with a speed that is 54 kilometer per hour, right?
50, yeah, 54
So just
kilometer per
convert
hour.
it into meter per second.
Okay. 15 meter per second.
15 meter per second.
Per
Correct.
second.
Very good. Okay, I hope you got it. How to
Yeah.
convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second.
Yes.
Okay, just write it down here. Right. Whenever you want to convert speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, that
Hmm.
time multiply given value with 5 by 18. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
examples you can write here like this. Examples like 72 kilometer per hour is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. It will be 20 meter per second.
Hmm.
One more you can write 54 kilometer per hour, 54 into 5 by 18. This will be 18 3 the 54 here, 15 meter per second. Okay,
Hmm.
yes, write it down.
Yeah. Noted, sir.
Okay, now I am having another question here.
Hmm.
If a car covers what is this 1 kilometer distance in 50 seconds, 1 kilometer distance in 50 seconds, calculate speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour.
If a car, so, sorry.
1 kilometer distance in 50 seconds,
Hmm.
calculate speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour.
Calculate distance, right? No, calculate speed.
Speed.
Hmm. So 72 kilometers per hour
72 kilometer per hour. Okay, and in meter per second,
and 20.
20. Okay, so speed is equal to formula we are having distance upon time. So distance is given 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter, right?
Hmm.
Upon 50 seconds. So 20 meter per second. Very good. Just now you need to convert it into kilometer per hour.
Meter.
So kilometer
Yeah.
per hour, you can convert, how to convert into kilometer per hour?
Uh, by by multiplying it with, um,
How did you
yeah, by
get your answer?
multiplying, yeah, by multiplying it with 5 by 18.
5 by 18.
That's how you find meter per second, right?
That's how we find meter per second. Suppose you are given with speed in kilometer per hour and we want to convert into meter per second. That time we are multiplying with 5 by 18.
Yeah. You're asking about
Ki-
kilometer per hour.
Yes, yes. So how did you get your answer? Just tell me.
Yeah. So I divided speed equals to distance by time. I used the
Mm-hmm.
formula.
Mm-hmm. And then you put the value 1 kilometer over there, right?
Yes.
And in denominator,
Denominator, I put 50.
huh? 50 only.
Yes. Yeah.
So 1 by 50 you are getting there.
Yes.
So 1 by 50. So
No, 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 no. It's
mm-hmm.
1,000 meter upon 50 seconds.
Okay, 1000 meters. So you got this value in meter per second, 20 meter per second, right? Correct.
Yes.
So how did you get in kilometer per hour? I'm asking 72 kilometer per hour.
Oh.
Hmm.
Yeah. So 20 meter per second into 5 by 80. Wait, I did a mistake.
Mm-hmm. I think you guess it from previous question only, right?
No.
No, okay, okay. Just solid.
Yeah. Yeah. So for speed, for kilometer per hour, we will do 20 meter per second into 3,600 seconds upon 1,000 meters. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Correct,
that's how we get 72.
correct. Okay. So you can get like there is one more shortcut. Like if you want to convert from meter per second to the kilometer per hour, just multiply it with 18 by 5. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
उसका reciprocal करना है. So you will be getting 5 fours are 20, 18 fours are 18 fours are 72 kilometer 4.
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Or you can go long way like you will be writing 1 kilometer upon 50 by 60. Sorry, 50 by. So this is given in second, right? So in order to convert it into hour, so what you will be doing there? You'll be dividing it with 3600.
Mm,
Okay, like this.
yeah.
So in this way also you can get, but use this shortcut method. Like just multiply it with 18 by 5.
Okay.
So just I'll be writing here. Whenever you want to convert hmm, meter per second to kilometer per hour, just multiply given value with
18 by 5.
correct given value with 18 by 5. For example, 20 meter per second. So it will be 20 into 18 by 5, 72 kilometer per hour. Second example, suppose 60 meter per second. Convert it.
60 meter per second.
Hmm.
60 into 18 by 5. 216.
2 1
6.
60 into 5 by 18 by 5. Hmm. Just you'll be getting here 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 12 into 18. Okay. So what is the
Yeah.
answer?
216.
Okay, correct. 216 kilometer per hour. Very good. Okay. So are you done with writing? Just write it down.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this is all about speed. Now we'll be discussing about average speed. So do you think is there any difference between speed and average speed?
Mm, I don't know. I mean, there must be a
Mm-hmm.
difference.
There is a difference. That's why I have written
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the difference between speed and average speed? Actually, average speed is the nothing but we measure there the total distance upon total time taken means. Okay, just I'll be giving example here. Suppose you have started your journey from point A, B, C is there, and D is there. Suppose this distance is 10 kilometer, then this is 20 kilometer, and this is 30, and suppose this is 6 kilometer. Okay,
Hmm.
20,
Okay.
30, 10. Suppose here you take 20 minutes of time, here 30 minutes, and here 10 minutes. Means you have started your journey from point A and you have ended it at the point D, right? But in this journey,
Yes.
so first 10 kilometers you have covered in 20 minutes. After that, next 20 kilometer you have covered in 30 minutes,
30.
and final 6 kilometer you have covered in 10 minutes. Means this is means your speed is sometimes getting increased, sometimes getting decreased due to the traffic or
Decrease.
other things we
Yeah.
can say, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
average speed is calculated for overall journey. Matlab, here your final initial destination is A. Suppose this is your house and this is your school, right? So your
Hmm.
initial distance, initial position is your house and final position is your school.
School.
So whenever we are measuring average speed means we are measuring it for whole journey there, right? So formula for average speed we are having here total distance covered upon total time taken. Average speed is
Hmm.
equal to total distance covered upon total time taken. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So just try to solve here. Try to calculate average speed here.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So I add all of them. पहले तो
Total distance upon total
where I
time.
have to.
Yes. Just add it.
So all of the kilometers first I add, and then the minutes, and then the time, and then I divide.
Hmm.
I see.
So first of all, you just need to convert it into 1 unit. So you need to calculate is in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So solve accordingly. Kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. But it's given in minute. So how?
Yeah.
So do one thing. First of all, calculate speed in kilometer per hour. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you know how to convert it into meter per second.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I convert all of the distances separately.
No, no, no. Just add it. Na 10 plus
First
20 plus
add.
6. The total
Okay.
distance will be 36.
Hmm?
Total distance will be
10.
36, right?
Yeah.
And total time
36. Yeah.
will be
10, 40, 80.
40.
80 men.
20 plus 30.
80.
20 plus 30.
50.
50 plus 10.
50. 60.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Yeah.
So convert it into hour.
Okay. So kilometers, so we already have 36 kilometers
Mm-hmm.
upon 1
Upon
if
one.
we
Very
do
good. Yes, 60
hour.
minutes is equal to 1 hour. Good. Good.
So we get 36 upon 1.
Means
36.
correct. 36 kilometer per hour. Very good. Now just convert it into meter per second.
Okay. 10 meter per second.
10 meter per second. Correct. Good. Yes. So total distance we are having 36. 36 divided by 60 minutes, that is 1. So 36 kilometer per hour average speed. Now 36 into 5 by 18. 10 meter per second. Very good. Correct. Write this down.
Yeah, I wrote it.
Okay, good. Second question I'm having.